Bills Receivable Part 3 Passing Journal Entries on the Practical Bills Transactions on Various Occasions. Dear students, today let us learn about how to pass the journal entries for the transactions relating to bills of exchange on various occasions. 1. Received from Brown his own acceptance at 2 months for Rs 600 and Smith's acceptance to him for Rs 400. Bills receivable account data 1000, to Brown own acceptance, to Brown Smith acceptance 400. 2. Discounted Brown's acceptance for Rs 585. Bank account data 585, discount account 15 rupees, to Brown account 600 rupees. Gave Jones in settlement of account Smith's acceptance as above. Jones account data 400, to bills receivable account 400. Smith's acceptance received from Brown returned dishonored. Jones paid noting expenses Rs 5. Brown debtor 405 rupees, to Jones 405 rupees. Brown's acceptance returned dishonored by bank. Notarial charges paid by bank Rs 5. Brown debtor 605, to bank 605 rupees. Received from White his promissory note at 21 days for Rs 500. Bills receivable account debtor to White 500 rupees. Endorsed over the above promissory note to Green and Company in payment of our acceptance due today. Bills payable account debtor to bills receivable account 500. White's promissory note dishonored Green and Company paying notarial charges Rs 5. White account debtor 505, to Green 505. Bell gave his acceptance at 2 months for Rs 850. Bills receivable account debtor 850, to Bell 850 rupees. Renewed Bill's acceptance for further 1 month, charging him 20 rupees for interest and including the same in the new bill. Bell debtor 850, to bills receivable 850. Bell debtor 20, to interest 20. Bills receivable account debtor 870, to Bell 870. Accepted Martin's draft at 1 month for Rs 350. Martin account debtor to bills payable 350 rupees. Renewed our acceptance in favor of Martin including Rs 10 for interest. Bills payable account debtor to Martin 350 rupees. Interest account debtor 10 to Martin 10 rupees. Martin debtor 360 to bills payable account 360. Gave Gray a promissory note at 3 months for Rs 900. Gray account debtor 900, to bills payable account 900. Retired promissory note in favor of Gray Rs 25 being received as rebate. Bills payable account debtor 900, to bank 875, to discount 25 rupees. 15. Received Sen and Company's acceptance for Rs 100 from S. Sarkar. Bills receivable account debtor to Sarkar 100 rupees, being the acceptance of Sen and Company received from Sarkar. P. Das handed us a promissory note for Rs 80. Bills receivable account debtor to P. Das 80 rupees, being the promissory note received from P. Das. Accepted a draft drawn on us at 3 months after date for Rs 500 from Rustum and Company in favor of SORA and Sons. Rustum and Company debtor 500, to bills payable 500, being the acceptance of the draft drawn upon us at 3 months date. Rowe and Company promissory note for Rs 125 was duly taken up this day. Bank debtor 125, to bills receivable 125, being the amount received in discharge of Rowe and Company's promissory note. Our promissory note for Rs 100 to Souza and Company was resumed today. Bills payable account debtor 100, to bank 100, being the payment made in discharge of our promissory note. Krishna and Company forwarded as Smith's acceptance to them for Rs 425 payable at Chartered Bank. Bills receivable account debtor 425, to Krishna and Company 425, being the acceptance of Smith received from Krishna and Company. Returned duly accepted P. Kanoba's draft on us for Rs 70 in favor of Birdy and Company. P. Kanoba account debtor 700 to bills payable 700 being our acceptance given to P. Kanoba's draft. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the self-balancing ledgers.